kind of bitter. Smells bitter. We're in here smelling like aloe vera. It's almost like a, yeah, it's just kind of a bitter smell, and it tastes bitter too. I know you can make like aloe vera gel out of it. Yeah, well, like you can eat it too. I think it is edible, but like it's bitter. I think it's good for your digestion, but it's got to be processed more. Yeah.
I'm not eating it. I'm a picky eater.
Yeah, I know you're not gonna eat it, but all right, we're gonna try to save the pot. So I'm pretty sure the pot's about as old as the plant, maybe.
The pot's probably older than the plant. What do you mean?
It's close. I don't know. I'm thinking back 20 years. Girl, before you were born, baby.
Well,
This pot's older than you. Trying to save it. I think maybe I could just wiggle it out of here. I don't know. I don't know how we're going to do this. I might film with one hand. That's what I'm used to doing. Maybe. Maybe. Oop. Okay. Well, look. That one might work, might not. All right. I'm going to try to jiggle it all. You want to kind of get... honestly, I don't know. Whatever angle. See, it's got some pups. Try to keep it, like, horizontal.
Yeah.
Anyway. All right. I'm just trying to jiggle it out.
Yeah.
Trying to film and jiggle at the same time. Not the most graceful.
Oh, that's a big part out.
I know, like I'm trying to
Jiggle, jiggle.
try to not snap any of the big ones.
It's all crunchy.
It is, it's very dry. Trying to kind of
When was
break
the
them.
last time you watered it?
A few days, well, about a week ago. I don't know. Can you get up in there? I don't know. Like I always get pictures. I get like angles more of like the plant. Focus on your hands and your plants.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
kind of
this one
really
might show
only
up.
getting the plant in your arm.
So I go back and forth. I debate on whether or not I want
Let
to
me
get them
see. I
manicured.
want to look in here.
Yeah,
Let's
that's
see what it looks like.
that's what I'd be doing too. Kind of more what it looks like on the inside.
These are very poopy. I want to just like pull.
Yeah.
Oh,
Susu's like, what's going on?
this is over here. Oh, she left.
Repotting.
I'm done.
This is so crunchy.
Crunch.
Yeah, we're trying to get in there.
It could be like an ASMR video. Crunch.
Yeah, it's all kind of. How deep do the roots go? I know the roots they're not real sturdy roots, so they just kind of snap easy.
Crunch.
I didn't want to water it too much because I knew it was going to be heavy. Oh, I hope nothing crawls out like a spider. Well, if that happens, it's going to be a much shorter video. But anyway, I don't think there's nothing moving in it.
Oh, if there's a spider or something crawls out, I'm running.
We're going to bye. Bye, Felicia. We both running.
I'm screaming. I'm screaming, running, and be like, I think we saw something.
But I'm just trying to loosen.
Okay, I'm sitting back up on the chair just in
Yeah.
case you never know.
And you can kind of cut it too. Or whatever, I'll edit it. I just kind of like the shorter videos are easier to.
Okay, well, I'll meet you back when we probably get it all out.
More progress in a minute. I feel like I'm some kind of an archaeologist digging into a cave. It's this one right here. The root goes all the way back, all the way down to the back. That's the one I'm trying to save. It's that big old, the mama. The pups have all the little roots coming off it. I don't know if you can see that. It's got little roots coming off. But the big one's all the way down at the bottom. Hey, Lord.
Or poisonous.
Yeah. I feel like I'm birthing a cow or something. Getting all up in there. It's got like a big root that's like right down at the bottom. I'm trying to keep all this as intact as possible. Like, I think at this point it's almost more root than dirt. I don't know if you can see up in there. I'll turn the flashlight feature on this. Where's the flash? Where's the flash on this? See into the cave. But yeah, almost more root than dirt in here.
Okay, it's coming out now.
I feel like we need to name it. It's a girl! Or a boy. It's an aloe vera.
It's dirt.
Oh, it's a lot of dirt. It's 20 years worth of dirt. Just trying to keep most of it intact. Look, this is the main root right there, that big stub. Goes all the way down. One of the big ones. Ooh,
Looks like something like ancient or something.
It probably is.
It kind of is
it's
ancient.
at least 3 years old, and most of this dirt I just kind of put in extra, so some of this dirt's probably older than you are.
Gosh.
Yeah, I was trying to keep
Hi, old
them.
dirt.
When they say you're old as dirt, this is what they mean. But yeah, I'm trying to keep most of the little roots and trying to keep...
The plant.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep most of the dirt too.
Look at the bottom of it.
Look how dried out and
Wrinkly.
wrinkly it is, I know. Because look, all this right here is all roots and stuff, and it just kind of
Look how
dries out.
flat.
It was stuck to the pot.
It's just like so flat.
Yeah, they just kind of eventually run out of nutrients, which they're kind of used to being dry. I think they're like kind of in a cactus family, sort of, maybe. I don't know.
I mean, they're potent.
Succulent. In the succulent family. So they for sure don't want to be them to be wet, but
Yeah.
all right. There's that part.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
contact y'all back when we have the rest.
Yeah, when we repot it. All right. Oh, bro, that. All right, we did drill several holes down in the bottom of this because they do like to be well drained. There she is, the root ball. It's a big old thing, big old nub. I'm not gonna be doing anything too fancy. I'm basically just gonna take the whole root ball and plop it down in there and just kind of. Yeah, buddy. A lot of gel from that other one. Well, let's show you the one that she's getting the gel from. We pretty much skin all of it off. We might go ahead and just trim it all up and then see if it grows back. I'm actually kind of curious to see if it'll grow back from all that. So I think they are normally, I don't know, that's I've just been kind of doing a thing with all these. They seem to thrive on neglect, and we've been showing them a lot of attention here recently, so we'll see how they do. But I'm not too worried about running out of aloe vera.
I'm not gonna be worried.
We got plenty, but that one's the one that we have sacrificed in the name of cosmetics. So
I'm not gonna be.
well moisturized and very well healed. We're gonna have lots of healing property. All right, that actually went a little smoother than I thought it was going to. Doesn't look like it's that big of a difference, but nobody's hanging over the edge. That's the main thing. Nobody's like dangling over the edge. For now. She kind of just got seated back up in there. It's got like a wider opening. This one was just, the opening was kind of getting a little narrow. And yeah, see, nobody's hanging out. I'm basically just gonna fill it back in with dirt for now. Might not necessarily repot. Well, this is a repotting. I might not pull out any of the pups just yet. Pups, that's what they're called, pups. The little offshoot things, that's offspring. What would you call them, sis?
I
plants spawn. Anyway, we're just gonna fill it all in. It's definitely got more space now. And just gonna fill it in with some of the old dirt and some new dirt. And that was actually pretty successful. I just kind of tilted everything on its side and just kind of scooted it back in the new pot, kind of the same way that I scooted it out of the old one. A lot of scooting. So, anyway, that's about gonna do it for this little bit. If we do anything else on aloe vera, we will make a part 2. But for now, the repotting of the mother Vera was a success for now. Almost. Haven't quite got all the dirt back in the pot yet, so it's not completely over yet, but
Are you gonna do that tonight?
close enough. Yeah, I'll probably throw some dirt in it tonight. Okay. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Talk about plants. Talk about if you want to subscribe to the channel, you can. If not, you don't have to. The channel, what did I say?
Or you can subscribe to my channel.
To your channel, Liv's got a channel too.
It's called Boss Livy.
Boss Livy. I don't know if I could figure out how to set a link to that, we will. But my channel, Backyard Variety. If you want to see the channel grow, it does help. Either way, I'm going to keep talking about plants. And if you, and chickens and all the other things we have going on here. And if you like to listen to that kind of thing, well, you know, stay tuned. Talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for watching.